Seeing SIM not supported on your simple mobile device? This usually means your phone is carrier locked or has an IMEI issue. Carrier locking is a software restriction that prevents your phone from using SIM cards from other networks. Simple Mobile, operating on T-Mobile's network, requires unlocked devices or those originally on T-Mobile. A clean IMEI, a unique 15-digit code, is crucial. It can't be reported lost, stolen, or blacklisted. First, verify your phone's compatibility using Simple Mobile's online IMEI checker. If your phone is locked, you'll need to unlock it before using a Simple Mobile SIM. Confirm your device supports T-Mobile frequencies. You can check this in your phone's settings or by using a third-party website that checks supported bands. To unlock your phone, contact your original carrier and submit an unlock request via their website, providing your IMEI and account details. FCC mandates now require carriers to unlock eligible devices after the contract ends, typically within 24 to 48 hours. Alternatively, third-party unlock services exist, but be cautious as they can void warranties and pose security risks. Once unlocked, insert your Simple Mobile SIM. If issues persist, power cycle your device and ensure correct SIM insertion. Update carrier settings by dialing 4463-SIT or consider a factory reset as a last resort. For eSIM users, the process is generally seamless, activated via QR codes provided by Simple Mobile. Remember to stick to official unlocking channels to avoid malware and data breaches.